what I've been doing is I've been having a lot of good luck just throwing it right alongside of the dock here and just picking it up and dropping it, you guys. And right there, I can feel something click on there. Holy cow, this actually has some decent weight on it, dude. Whoa, this is so heavy it might slip off here, dude. Oh, what in the world? Check out this one, dude. We found an entire axle for like a truck or something, dude.
Look at that.
That's exactly what this is, dude. Yeah, this is an axle for a rear end.
Oh,
absolutely is.
look at that.
Yeah, that's where the splines go. That's where it would fit into the gears. Yeah, this is